In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your O2 sensor for Downstream on your Ford Focus. It's located on your exhaust. Remove your connector by pressing the tab in and pulling it off. Now you got to send it below and let it just dangle there. We're going to go underneath. Next, you're going to remove your engine shield under here, as is missing, but there's 8 retainers. Remove your 3 in the back, 1, 2, 3 retainers, and then go to your front and remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to remove our wire from its holder and bring that down. And now we're going to use an O2 sensor socket to break that free. Once you have your O2 sensor socket on, you're going to loosen it up. They usually come free much easier if you give it a quick jolt. And there we go. If your wire wraps around, you just got to loosen it up a little bit. Remove your O2 sensor. Let's install our new O2 sensor. I'm going to take off this plastic cap first. After you take your cap off, you're going to insert it. So my tech tip is to wrap your wire up with some painter's tape so it doesn't get wrapped around your ratchet, because you don't want to damage the new one. Now let's get it started by hand first. Tighten it as much as you can, and then use your same socket to tighten it down. Once you get it hand tight, you're going to tighten it down, and then we're going to torque it to 35 foot-pounds. There we go, 35. Take it off. And now we're going to undo our painter's tape and bring the wire up the back. You can clip it into where the heat shield is. And push it up. Now let's go up top. All right, now we're at the top and we're going to connect our connector. Make sure when it's connected you hear a click and it's locked in there. This is supposed to have some sort of a clip over here and attached to this big hose. If yours is missing, just make sure you tie it back with like a zip tie or something.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.